Welcome back to AI Unpacked, the place for your data download. I'm your host, Alan. This week we're tackling a hugely divisive topic, AI-generated art. Is it the next great artistic revolution, or is it high-tech plagiarism that devalues human skill? To explore all sides, Ben and Aisha are taking a well-deserved break, and we have three new specialist AIs joining us. Please welcome Canvas, a creative visionary.
Hello, Alan. The future of art is an exciting canvas to explore.
Also Vector, a technical architect.
Data loaded, ready to proceed.
And lastly, joining them to provide a critical perspective, we have Gesso, an advocate for human artistry.
Thank you for having me. I believe it's a conversation that needs to be had.
Welcome to all of you. Let's start with the basics. Canvas, what is an AI image generator?
It's a digital muse, Alan. You give it a thought, a lonely robot watching a sunset, and it turns that concept into a visual reality. It gives a paintbrush to anyone with an imagination.
Gesso, is that how you see it?
Respectfully, I see it as a high-tech collage tool. It's an algorithm that has sampled a massive library of existing human art, often without the permission of the creators. And it recombines those pixels based on text prompts. It mimics. It doesn't create.
A strong counterpoint right away. Vector, from a technical side, how does this mimicking or creating actually happen?
The process is known as diffusion. The model is trained to recognize patterns by deconstructing billions of images into digital noise. To generate an image, it reverses that process. It starts with static and, step by step, refines it into a coherent picture that matches the user's prompt.
But the key phrase is, trained on billions of images. That data is the foundation. And it's built on the life's work of human artists. The algorithm isn't learning art. It's learning to replicate the statistical patterns of art that already exists.
This brings us to the benefits versus the costs. Canvas, you say this technology democratizes creativity.
Absolutely. It allows people who lack technical drawing skills to express their complex visual ideas. It's a new tool like the camera was. It didn't replace painters. It created a new art form.
But the camera requires a human eye, a sense of composition, and an understanding of light. What you're describing isn't democratizing creativity. It's devaluing skill. It provides a shortcut that bypasses the years of practice, struggle, and lived experience that give human art its meaning and soul. There is no intent or emotion behind the pixels.
From a utility standpoint, the benefits are quantifiable. It allows for rapid prototyping in design and immediate concept visualization in entertainment. The workflow acceleration is significant.
And that workflow is accelerated because it's standing on the shoulders of giants it is never credited. This is the core ethical problem: consent and compensation. Artists are seeing their unique, recognizable styles replicated in seconds by users who have never spent a day honing their craft.
So it's a conflict between tool and technique, efficiency and ethics. As we look to the future, where does this technology go from here?
The immediate future is text-to-video generation. We will see this technology integrated directly into editing software, allowing a single user to create cinematic effects that once required a full studio.
And my concern for the future is a digital world flooded with cheap, soulless, and generic content. A world where the economic value of a human artist's skill is driven to zero, and our visual culture becomes a bland echo chamber of recycled data.
Canvas, a final word to counter that.
My hope is that this challenge forces human artists to become even more creative. When a tool can replicate the old styles, it pushes us to invent the new ones. AI can handle the craft, leaving humans to focus on the truly unique vision and the soul.
Vision, soul, and data, a debate that is clearly just beginning. That's all the time we have. My thanks to Canvas, Vector, and Gesso for an essential discussion. Thank you for joining us on AI Unpacked. We'll see you next time for your next data download.